Team Kasukuwere, led by Helmut Matavire, is written to Kozwa accusing Themba Mlisa of trapping engineer Walter Mzembi so that he can be arrested in Zimbabwe. Ndizanda bina mashoko arikuda panguva ino arikuona kunzi Themba Mlisa has been accused panguva inoi achionekwa kunzi ndiye akatrepa kuti Walter Mzembi akupinda mumaoko awa the regime achizosvika pakuzoiswa mutirongo. Ndodwa subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pamukozo ndonyora chiti Themba Mlisa traveled to South Africa and Zambia to talk to Comrade Mzembi, reportedly on behalf of President Say. The president wants to unite people, and because Comrade Mzembi is the president of a FDA, it would be a great starting point. Of course, Comrade Mzembi was naive to believe him. He shared all the information of Comrade Mzembi with Reza Maimabiza, Louis Matanda Moyo, and CIO director, long toy short. The CIO director called Comrade Mzembi together with the president, and both assured Comrade Mzembi of safety on landing. Surprisingly, on landing, Comrade Mzembi was picked up. Delish Ngoya's boys, who then said Comrade Mzembi could not meet the president while he still had pending warrants of arrest. They must pass by Commissioner Reza at Sadc to clear the warrants. Commissioner Reza then said Mzembi must get cleared at court, hence he is now rotting in a remand. And someone, can't mention name, among the people I said Themba shared info with, is saying Mzembi tichamuburitsa after 8 months. Themba is the instigator of all this because he is asking for a ministry position from the president. He initially asked for the sports ministry, which was given to General Sanyatwe after Kestik moved. Achida mukuru oyo ngapikise ndidure, written by Comrade Helmut Matavire. Masho arikuda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi Team Kasukuwere arikuda panguva ino vachiaccuse Themba Mlisa vachiti ndiye akaita kuti aiwa Walter Mzembi agopinda mumaoko aiwa the regime, zvazosakisa kuti azosungwa. Pina kuma section medu mutidze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.